guys, it's me, ColorMeCassie, and today I have my summer FabFitFun for 2018. So guys, today I have my summer FabFitFun for 2018, and I am so excited. I've been waiting for this box to come in the mail, and I'm so excited to be able to open it up for you guys and unbox it. So you guys, if you're new here to my channel, make sure you subscribe to get in on more unboxings and other beauty related content. It's a fun time over here. Okay, let's open this thing. It is huge. It looks amazing. Okay, so it says FabFitFun, a taste of summer. That's what it looks like inside the box right there. And here we have our little magazine thing. Oh, it looks so cool. I'm gonna put it this direction so that I'm looking more towards you guys. Okay. The first thing I'm seeing here is this earth jewelry, and it's a little ring, and it has like 2 pearls on it. It's gold. I think that's gorgeous. Guys, I love FabFitFun. It's just so different than any other box that I've gotten, and I feel like it is just really fun. I mean, fun's like its middle name, or its last name. FabFitFun, I guess fit is its middle name maybe? I don't know. Guys, I'm such a dork. I am. I really, really am. So this fits on my pinky finger. I think I could probably like stretch it to fit on a different finger, but I think that is pretty cute. What do you guys think? I think it's pretty adorable. Let's see how much this baby costs. It says this ring is worth $55. It says it's 14 karat gold plated ring, features 2 naturally cultured freshwater pearls in a classic and modern design. So these are real freshwater pearls, and it says 14 karat plated. It's just like wire that's encased in gold. But I think that's really cute, and it's definitely something that I'm gonna wear and really, really love. And that covers the cost of the box right there. So I'm covered with just this. So everything else is free. I'm so excited. I just can't hide it. I'm so excited! Guys, how am I such a dork? Why do I do this to myself? Why do I put myself on the internet? The next thing I'm seeing here is a Tarte Sex Kitten liquid eyeliner. I feel like they didn't have to name it that, but you know, whatever. It's kind of cute packaging though. I mean, look at that. It's got like a little cat head on it, like right up here. I think that's cute packaging. Even if I don't love the name, I think the little kitty cat packaging is really cute. I have not tried this before. Ooh, it's got a super fine tip. I've got a good feeling about this eyeliner. I feel like it's gonna be great for the cat eyes. Who would have thunk it? Cat eyes, kitten eyeliner. So looking at my little sheet here, it seems like this comes with something, so I'm gonna try to find that other piece. Here we go. So the other piece of it is the Tarte Tarteist Pro To Go eyeshadow palette. So this is just a little to-go palette with some pretty shades in there. I probably won't use this. The total value of this is $43. I just tend to take full-size things with me when I go places, but I might give this away to somebody or something like that. And so the full-size price of both of these items together is apparently $43. We're adding on value nicely to this box. I'm liking it so far. Okay, so the next thing I'm looking at is an A Pure One Imports box. It's intriguing me. Oh, this is so cute. You guys, it's like a little marble dish with gold along the outside. I think that is super adorable. That's so my style too. And it says that this is $15. It's kind of like a key tray or something like that. I love this. I'll definitely use it. I think it's definitely worth $15. Loving it. I love this box, you guys. It is going so well. The next thing I'm finding is this Coola Sport SPF 50 sunscreen. So it is just a little sunscreen, and it looks like that. So I've tried Coola products before, and they've worked really well for me, and I think they're a little bit less harsh on your skin. So this is definitely a good thing to get in the box. I do not get incredibly excited about sunscreens. I just feel like they're something that you have to buy. They're not something that you necessarily want to buy. But this is still a good thing to get. I'm very pale, so I need to put on that sun protection when I go outside in the summer. And it says this is worth $32, so that's definitely a good value add to the box. The next thing I'm seeing here, oh, this is so cool! You guys, this is the Veorra Luno Fofo. I feel like that's a really weird name for it, but this is like one of those little electronic face washer things, and I've really been wanting one of these just because in the summer my skin gets super oily and it kind of gets a little bit clogged up. I have more breakouts in the summer and my face wash thing just died. So I've been needing a new one, and I'm really excited to get to try this one out because I've seen it in stores before and it always looks so intriguing and cool. It says right here in the little magazine thing that this is worth $89. I'm definitely excited not to have to buy this for myself, and this is a huge plus for me in this box. This is my favorite item so far. So excited about this. So the next thing I'm seeing looks like kind of a little ID holder thing here. So it looks like it's just a little leather wristlet. It's got this little button here that you can fold that over the top. It's just got enough space in here for a couple cards, maybe an ID card, some cash, something like that. And the little button holds it pretty securely down. And then this fits over your wrist. I think that's pretty handy. I have problems sometimes. My wallet is huge. It's like this big, huge thing, super duper thick. And when I go places without a purse, it is very hard to bring any of that stuff with me, so I definitely need something like this. It says that this is worth $20, and I definitely would agree with that. It is very nice and cute, and I like it. It's gonna be good. The next thing I'm seeing here is a beach towel. That's so awesome. This is really cute. It's like all these palm leaves and stuff on here. It's hard to show you guys in the camera, but here, let me show you on here what it looks like. It's this one right here. So it says that this is worth $55. It definitely feels like a nice towel. It's very like plush and soft feeling, but personally I would not spend $55 on a towel. It says it's microfiber, so sand won't stick to it, so that's definitely a good thing, but I just wouldn't be able to bring myself to spend $55 on a beach towel. It's still really fun and really cute, and I'm definitely going to be using it this summer, but not something that I would have spent $55 on of my own accord. And the last thing I'm seeing here is this Orlando Pita Play Atmos Shield Hair Protectant Spray. It says just a few spritzes in this treatment spray creates an invisible weightless veil that shields hair from UV damage and styling tools. So this is $34. The only thing left in my box is this little straw thing, and it says this straw saves marine life. Visit giveasip.us. This is probably a paper straw, and it helps stop pollution of the ocean with plastic straws or something like that. So if you want to look this up, it's giveasip.us. So guys, that was everything in my FabFitFun. I thought it was a great box. I love this box, you guys. This box drives me nuts with how amazing it is. I just added up the total value of all the stuff I got in this box, you guys, and it's a total of $343. That is insane. If I spent 50 bucks on this box and I get $345 out of it, that's just mind-blowingly nuts. I don't know. This is my favorite box. I'm going to say that this goes ahead and beats BoxyCharm. I look forward to this more than I look forward to BoxyCharm, so if you're gonna get something, then you should probably check out this box because it's about $50 a quarter, and if you divide that, what is that? It ends up being about $16 a month to get this 4 times a year, so I think that's a pretty good deal. It's definitely worth all the awesome stuff I'm getting in it, and cheaper than BoxyCharm per year. And there's pretty much always a discount available, so I'll try to find one of those and leave a code down below for you guys. So if you want to get FabFitFun, just check in the description box down below. If you like this video, make sure you smash that like button so I know to keep doing more videos just like this one. And if you haven't yet subscribed, make sure you do so. That's pretty much it. I love you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye!